Today, we are going to discuss how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10 without losing your precious data. And hey, if you've encountered a Media Creation Tool error, we'll fix that too. Let's dive in. So, if you're still rocking Windows 7 and want to make the jump to Windows 10, follow these steps. Step 1. Back up your data. Before any major upgrade, it's always a good idea to safeguard your files. Copy them to an external drive or use cloud storage. Step 2. Download the Media Creation Tool from the official Microsoft website. This tool helps you upgrade your system without losing data. Now, let's talk about that pesky error some of you might encounter. If you're facing an error, try running the tool as an administrator. Right-click on the file, choose Run as Administrator, and see if that solves the issue. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions. The Media Creation Tool will guide you through the upgrade process. Choose the option to keep your files and apps when prompted. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10 without losing your data. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other upgrade-related questions or tech issues, drop them in the comments below.